So here's a little circle time activity that we like to do in music class a lot. And it really helps our cognitive skills wake up for the day and start our minds moving. So it has a little song and it goes like this. Here's a box, here's a lid. Can you guess inside what's hid? Can you guess? Can you hear? If you listen with your ears. Can you hear it? Does it sound like something soft or loud? Something soft. What do you think it is? Should I look inside? Do you remember? What's this called? It kind of looks like a tree, but it's a shamrock. Shamrock. And what color is the shamrock? Green. And how do we say green in Spanish? Verde. Good job. Should we do another one? Here we go. Ready? And here's a box. Here's a lid. Can you guess inside what's hid? Can you guess? Can you hear? If you listen with your ears. What do you think it is? Is it loud or soft? It's very loud, isn't it? What do you think it is? Should I look? Oh boy. It's a dragon. Oh, what's a dragon say? And what colors do you see on the dragon? White, red, and a little bit of yellow on its horns. Good job.